the
Holy
sticker.
Cow. Like and subscribe.
Well, that's not good. Buc-ee's coffee. All right.
School field trip. Buc-ee's. Largest gas station slash almost pretty much called Walmart.
Are you excited about this?
I don't know what this is.
We came all the way to
Off the
Texas.
racetrack, we made it to Buc-ee's. Look at that. Hey, babe.
Oh, that's cool.
I need soap.
You look really excited about
Yeah, no
this,
soap.
Tina.
It
I need
smells
soap.
like barbecue and making me sick. Sweet heat barbecue. What do you think?
Why not? Got their own coffee. Oh my God, look at this. All the fudges.
Oh, fun. Oh, pun intended.
You calling?
I'm like,
Oh, you're making your own coffee?
I don't know that. I'm not gonna worry. Oh, this is the bakery.
This place is magical.
I know it is, right? This is the only red line I'm getting today.
Phoenix Wellness.
You should drive like that.
Huh? I don't know.
The gay cowboy.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
It's a little wet, a little moist.
That's right.
Let's go. Got the street rivals. These turned out epic. Got the modified performance street rivals canopy. Looking good. What's your favorite JDM of all time?
Of all time.
Yes, like all eras.
That's a good question.
Okay, favorite chassis.
Nissan. We'll give that away.
I mean,
Z over everything.
Big Country Labs in the house.
Shout out.
Let's get it.
Yeah, boy.
Welcome to Texas.
How are you feeling about today?
A little bit bummed out, dude. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, rain drifting's cool. I got no windows. I'm gonna get soaked.
Good idea putting the motors in.
Windows this time.
Yeah, they pre-sold. I think he said in the drivers meeting almost 15,000 tickets. So
I think this weather sucks.
Yeah. Oh, they got a drift course in here?
Got like the RC one.
Yeah, we got that two-stroke. Look at that.
Nice and thick. Look at that. Now that is Texas right there.
Thick.
The car is dialed, ready to go for the rain. 100%. Street Rivals drop. Think about what Big Ben has on it right now.
Today's event is still ready to go. We intend to resume in 3 minutes. Please stay tuned.
Ciao, guys. It's a little moist.
A little bit.
Little bit.
Windows. I do.
Get out there and try to get a shot. Look at that Street Rivals action though.
Kaboom!
Kaboom.
Kaboom!
Let's get it. people over here grabbing some merch. Street Rivals. Hey, and if you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel, we'll give you a free merch bag. All right, subscribe. Let's go. Let's go.
This is my first time being to any of this. Right? Yeah. I love weather, but yeah, I know. We're usually out there doing fun stuff. If the lightning would stop hitting, things would be better. Thanks, guys. You guys want an air freshener for your cars?
Like and subscribe.
Nice, sticker.
Hey, let's go. You guys are gonna have to excuse the water on the lens. It's a little wet. So, Fuel Fest 2024, Texas. Kind of a bust, but
I don't know about kind of.
yeah.
100%.
Sign says speed bump, and then the arrow says speed bump.
Hey, thanks everybody for coming out and saying what's up and subscribing that was there at the event today.
Yeah.
Picked up a shirt and a sticker.
Cow.
Wow, these houses are really nice out here. I like this area.
For a professional drifter, he sucks at driving. on the regular road.
Yeah.
Being heaven, boy.
This is 10 out of 10, dude.
Yeah.
100%. What do you think? What's your favorite? I like this jalapeno cheese corn. The beef rib is crazy.
I think the corn's my favorite.
The corn goes hard.
Corn's my favorite.
Yeah, the corn
And
is
the
good.
beans.
Oh yeah, look.
Free beans.
Best barbecue.
Got him.